Welcome back. If you're in the market to purchase a commercial box truck or cargo van, listen up because we have a perfect solution for you. Joining me now is Mohamed, the owner of Das Trucks. Welcome back to the show. It's so great to have you again.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Yes,
appreciate you.
Of course. So tell us a little bit about your business, Das Trucks.
So Das Trucks is a commercial truck dealership. We are specialized in commercial trucks, box trucks, cargo vans, and we have a very competitive price module. We check the market prices and try to provide the best to our customers. We don't charge dealer fees. There's no gimmicks. The price you see is the price you're gonna pay, plus of course your taxes.
That's so great to know, yeah. Well, tell us more about the locations that you have and where you're available for folks.
Yes, so we have two locations. Our Denver location, and we have also the Colorado Springs location. And our Denver location will provide services like sales repairs, and bodywork. And so is the Colorado Springs. And today, actually, I want to talk about 3 phone numbers. This week is Truck Drivers Appreciation Week.
Oh, no way.
Yes.
Oh,
so I think it's a great opportunity.
Yes.
To talk about 3 phone numbers that I believe every truck driver, even nationwide, should have them for the growth of their business. And so if I can talk about the first 4 number.
Yes, what is that?
That will be for budget rental, budget truck rental. So budget as the giant in the rental industry, we know it, and I'm saying giant because even if you go to Dubai, they are there.
Oh, wow.
They're everywhere, yes. And if people don't know that Avis and Budget are one company.
Okay.
So this giant is working very hard to make sure that their client and the customers and the public in general have the best services. And and I think from my understanding and from my market analysis, I find Budget give really great rates. In comparison with our other companies. So I think it's every truck owner operator or a fleet operator, like fleet owner, or anyone even want to go to the logistic business, they should try Budget. Give them a chance and they owe it to themselves and their families. You know, the more money you can save, it's better to do your dreams. And
sure.
So that's the first phone number. It's 1-800-283-4382.
Okay.
So
we're almost out of time, so let's get to those other 2 numbers.
The other 2 numbers, really good. Okay. The other 2 numbers is 303-390-0766. That's our Denver location.
Denver, okay.
So we offer again sales, service, and body. And body, what I mean by body work, we offer like fiberglass and all like full truck services. And
unfortunately we are out of time, but thank you so much for telling us all about that. Yes. Now you guys visit, of course, their website for all of their information. It's dastrucks.net. You can see their available inventory of commercial box trucks and cargo vans. You can also make an appointment with them for weekdays from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Don't forget about their preventative maintenance offers and bodywork appointments. They paid for this segment.